Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. You see that you understood the very essence. This is one way to say mantra and at the same time move the mind within. And once the mind is within, we stay there to see what happens by saying Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring the mind on the right hand, your mind on the left hand. Lift your both the palms, place it on your eyes, open the eyes inside. Know your experiences, bring the hands down. And share our experiences, bring the hands down. How are you, Sophie? Everyone disappears, only except this. How are you?
Thank you. My body was like a block of stone.
That's good.
And
That's good.
yes. And so yeah, I'm good. Thank you.
Good. How are you, John?
Okay, good. I didn't have anything disturbing or agitating me today. I was fine.
Sophie is already in another room.
Yes. That's right.
So, recognition that these thoughts, feelings, sensations are belonging to the world outside. Mind is unconsciously, impulsively, instinctively, habitually seeking security. When you bring it at the conscious level, where is the thought? That needs to be understood. Wonderful, John. How are you, Mead?
Simplify, simplify, simplify. Let it, all that other stuff wash away.
That's good. Yes, that's another way. Why simplify? Because the understanding is there inside. Clarity is there. That knowledge is there. Ignorance is not there. That is what, happens. You have a fake snake and you show it to the child. He's scared. And then you say, no, you see that I'm holding it. Fear is gone. Same situation, same word, same thing. You can give a lot of examples. How are you, Charlie?
Hi, everyone. Good. I was aware that I'm always aware of this, but I was even more aware of how easily my mind wants to go outside rather than stay inside.
Yeah.
And so I was very present with my mind inside, and I was aware that I'm not quite sure how to say this, how I need to trust that there's something in there. It's like I was inside and I'm like, okay, intellect, where are you? I'm here. Where are you?
Yes.
If that
Even we
makes
can
sense.
say like this.
Yeah. So I was just like, okay, well, if I keep coming back, because I'm so used to going outside, this is all really new. So it's like, okay, there's something there. I'm here. I'm not sure where you are, but I'll keep turning up.
Yes, that's a very good way to handle the mind through the intellect based on the knowledge and understanding.
Right.
Mind only runs outside if you find. Examine all the thoughts during the day, and you will discover there is some kind of fear, there is some kind of insecurity, concern. Then it goes in for the food. Oh, I had a good food last week in that restaurant. Can we go again? No, I spent too much of money on Thanksgiving. I'm not going to do it. Again, you see the security concern is always there, but it pertains to an object outside. That is why that created an impulsive and habitual pattern in the mind. That is all for today. Thank you very much. We will meet again next week. Thank you.